The safest place in the whole wide world is in the purpose of God. Whenever you get in the purpose of God, God will protect you to protect his purpose. And see, y'all can't handle this. All things work together for the good of them that love the Lord, who are the called according to his. God said, if you get in my purpose, I'll make it work out all right. If you get in my purpose, I'll fight your enemies all for you. I'll whip anybody who stands up against you. If you do what I tell you to do, if I know I can count on you to do my purpose, your enemies become my enemies. Your battles become my battles. I'll drive back your diseases. I'll heal your body. If you're in my purpose, I'll strengthen you in your old age.